In a small saucepan over medium-low heat, stir together olive oil, chopped garlic, lemon zest, and minced fresh rosemary. Cook this mixture just until hot, then remove from the heat and set aside. Place your turkey into a roasting pan and season the cavity with salt and pepper. Place your favorite turkey stuffing in the cavity. Then slide your fingers under the turkey skin to carefully separate the skin from the turkey meat. Use your fingers to slide butter pieces underneath the skin to evenly cover the breast meat. To ready your turkey for roasting, tie the turkey legs together and tuck the wingtips under. Squeeze lemon juice over the entire turkey, then generously brush half of the flavored olive oil all over the turkey and season with salt and pepper. Place onions in the bottom of the roasting pan along with 1½ cups of the chicken broth. Roast the turkey for 1 hour at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then reduce the heat to 375 degrees and continue to roast until a thermometer inserted in the turkey breast reaches 165 degrees. Keep watch on the broth and add more if the bottom of the roasting pan starts to dry out. Your rosemary lemon roasted turkey is ready for the Thanksgiving table. Use your best carving skills to impress family and friends as you lay slice after slice of juicy, succulently flavored turkey on their holiday plates. You won't have to wait long before they thank you.